Then once you have set up the connection, you get a data lake. Data lake actually carries that data from that particular source system on which you have set up a connection. Data stream would help you set up a connection where you have to identify the source system, identify what are the credentials to connect with that source system, identify object you have to bring from that particular source system. But once you have established a connection, the data would start to flow. That data would start to flow within a data lake object. Data lake object, you can say, is the metadata of data flowing within the data cloud. You have connected leads object to bring data from leads object from SFDC. You connected a data stream to have a connection with that SFDC org, but data lake object would actually bring the metadata of that particular object to data cloud. Once it brings metadata, you have to map that data to a data model object. Data model objects are in-house objects of data cloud. Data model objects are in-house objects of data cloud. That means whatever data lake is bringing data from a source system should be hosted locally within the data cloud, should be referenced to a particular object. So suppose you are bringing a lead object data from a particular SFDC org. You connected a data stream. You have a data lake object to bring that metadata, but that data lake object would be mapped to a lead object which is present within data cloud, so that this data model object holds that lead incoming from a source system. Then we have data explorer. Whatever data you are going to bring via data lake objects, what are data present in data model objects can be explored. Can be explored means if you have brought leads from a source system using data stream, data lake and map to a data model, you can explore that leads object within the data explorer. You will find what all objects you have brought from a source system, and you will be able to look what all data we have for that particular lead object. Then guys, a customer data is present at multiple different platforms. If you have used Salesforce, then you see that initially a customer comes as a lead. Salesforce has a different lead ID, but with further interaction with our company, he might become a contact. A contact is the same person but has a different ID. I came to your system as a lead, then I was changed to a contact. Now I am the same person present both as a lead and a contact with two different IDs. But when you are starting to promote me, marketing communications, you bring that data to Marketing Cloud. In Marketing Cloud, I will be called as a subscriber. There will be a subscriber key generated. I am the same person, but is being called as a lead, is being called as a contact, is being called as a subscriber. Similarly, I might be present in any other platform. A company is using two different SFDC orgs to have two different lines of business. You can take an example of Tata Group. Tata Group is a big company. It has multiple different businesses. It has aviation business. It has Tata Motors as a business. It is into FMCG business. It is into jewelry, gold business. So each business line might be using their own Salesforce org. And it is highest possibility that I might be a subscriber of multiple different business. I might be using their aviation, their flights to travel. I might be present there as a customer in their org. Also, I am purchasing jewelry from them. Tanishq is their brand. I often go and purchase some or other gold or diamond jewelry for my suppose, once in a year or twice. So I am a customer there as well. So the same group having two different orgs. In one org, I am also present. In second org, I am also present, but with both two different IDs. But I am a same customer. So it is important to unify all these records into a single customer profile. Ultimately, I am the same person present as a lead in different orgs, contact in different orgs, subscribers in Marketing Cloud. They might be promoting me some advertisements on Facebook, Google, Instagram using their advertisement channels. I might be a person and entity there as well with a different subscriber key or primary key or a customer identifier. I might be present in their other database. I might have purchased their mutual funds, insurance products. So each and every platform they are using have generated a different unique ID for me. So it is important to unify me into a single customer profile. That is the power of Data Cloud. Data Cloud has customer 360 data model where it helps you bring all kind of customer data from different platforms and build a single customer profile. To build a single customer profile, this identity resolution would come into picture, because you have to identify where all I am present, with what all different characteristics, what all different IDs, and ultimately unify me into a single ID, so that a company's management can have a holistic view of me as a customer. So for that, identity resolutions come into picture.